Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove sound on a TikTok video. It's very easy guys. Now let's get started. The first step to take is to open your TikTok app and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen to record a new video. Now what we're going to do right now is to record the short video, and then I'm going to show you how you can remove the sound on the video. Once you're done recording the video, click on the check mark at the right hand side of your screen, and then right here you're going to find this drop down icon. Tap on that and scroll all the way down. Now you get the volume option, click on that, and as you can see right here, the volume on this video is 100%. So I'm going to reduce it to 0, and then I'll click on done at the right hand side at the top right corner of this window, and I'm done with that. So as you can notice, there's no sound on this video. All right, so guys, this is how you can remove sound on a TikTok video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more TikTok tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.